Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize your character in Forza Horizon 5. And to do this you will need to get to the festival outpost, then when you're here click on enter. Now we can go for our character and he should be in my festival right here. We can customize the character. And now you can buy different clothes. There's many different options: voices, tops, jackets, dressers, legs, ankles, feet, and etc. And that's basically all of the options you get to customize it. But we can also change the name if you want. You can pick whichever name you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.